Hello dears, welcome to our channel. Today, I will show you how to make this banana mask. This banana face mask will help you look younger than your age. This is a face mask for a youthful appearance, as well as a pore tightening treatment. It will help firm your face. I use bananas and banana peels. Bananas are a natural beauty fruit, especially for the skin and against wrinkles. Below, I will explain the scientifically proven benefits in a simple way. The natural Botox. Effective bananas against wrinkles. Bananas are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which stimulate the production of collagen in the skin. Collagen, in turn, reduces wrinkles, makes the skin firm and elastic. Bananas eliminate free radicals from the face and slow down the aging process. Banana moisturizes the skin. The natural oils and vitamin E in bananas help to keep the skin moisturized. As a result, the skin becomes smooth, soft, and radiant. Banana masks are especially beneficial for dry skin. Banana brightens the face and reduces spots. The vitamin A in bananas reduces dark spots and acne scars on the skin. Vitamin B6 accelerates skin renewal, which helps to look younger. For this mask, we need ginger. Ginger helps in treating and removing wrinkles. I use ginger powder. This is very good for getting rid of acne. It is a good mask. If you don't have ginger powder, mix 1 ginger root and add 1 tablespoon of ginger juice. Ginger is not only good for drinking, but also very effective as a natural detox for the skin and wrinkles. Below, I will explain its scientifically proven benefits. 1. Slows down the aging process. Ginger contains powerful antioxidants called gingerol and shagil. They eliminate free radicals that accumulate in the skin, which slows down the appearance of wrinkles and lines, maintains skin elasticity, and helps to look younger. 2. Brightens skin tone. Ginger improves blood circulation, which increases the supply of oxygen and nutrients to the face. Therefore, after a ginger mask or tonic, the skin looks bright, vibrant, and healthy. 3. Reduces inflammation and acne on the face. Ginger has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces acne, blackheads, and skin rashes. Especially useful for those with oily skin, it reduces excess oil. 4. Tones the skin and creates a lifting effect since ginger increases blood flow. The skin is activated, which gives a natural tension to the appearance. It restores loose areas on the face and restores smoothness. For this mask, we also need honey. Honey is one of nature's most powerful skin rejuvenators, moisturizers, and healers. It has many benefits, especially for facial skin. Below, I will explain the most important scientifically proven benefits. 1. Provides natural moisture. Honey is a natural humectant, attracting water to skin cells and retaining it. As a result, the skin becomes soft, smooth, and elastic. It is especially useful for dry and sensitive skin. 2. Rejuvenates the face and reduces wrinkles. Honey contains antioxidants, flavonoids, and phenols, which eliminate free radicals. Due to this, the aging process slows down. Wrinkles are reduced. Regular use of a honey mask stimulates the production of collagen, which tightens the skin. 3. Gives the skin a clear and healthy glow. Honey improves blood circulation, which makes the skin tone clearer. The skin is revived, a natural glow appears. 4. Reduces acne and inflammation. Honey is a natural antibacterial and antiseptic agent. Reduces acne, blackheads, and inflammation on the face. It kills bacteria on the skin, creating clear and healthy skin. Dear viewers, from which country are you watching my videos? Please write it in the comments. I'd love to know where you're from. If you love natural beauty, anti-aging remedies, and homemade skincare recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Let's stay beautiful the natural way, together. It helps tighten the skin, so you just mask it on your face. So after you mask it on your face, leave it on for only 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Then wash it off. You just leave it on your face for 5 to 10 minutes. It coats and tightens the skin really well. Hello my dears, welcome to my channel. Anti-wrinkle mask with banana and sugar for a younger look. If you want to take care of your skin the natural way, subscribe to the channel for new amazing recipes and like the videos to support us. For today's recipe, we need bananas. Bananas are a great anti-aging product, often called natural Botox. They help keep your skin young, moisturized, and firm. Anti-wrinkle benefits of bananas rich in antioxidants. Bananas contain vitamin C and polyphenols, which scavenge free radicals. This slows down the rapid aging of the skin. Vitamin A, similar to retinol, accelerates skin cell renewal, softens dry areas, and reduces fine lines. Vitamin E increases skin elasticity, deeply moisturizes, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Potassium and magnesium nourishes and moisturizes the skin, making it smooth and youthful. Zinc supports collagen production and helps maintain skin firmness. Natural exfoliant. The enzymes in bananas gently exfoliate dead skin cells and renew the skin. That's why bananas are often called natural Botox. They help keep the skin young, moisturized, and tight. We also need orange for this recipe. Anti-aging benefits of orange rich in vitamin C. The high vitamin C content in oranges boosts collagen production. Collagen firms the skin, improves elasticity, and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines. Antioxidant properties. Oranges fight free radicals, slowing down the skin's aging process. Brightens skin tone. Oranges make the skin radiant, healthy looking, and help reduce dark spots or pigmentation. Moisturizes. Natural juices and minerals in oranges help hydrate the skin, keeping it soft and smooth. Cleanses pores. Alpha hydroxy acids. AHA in oranges gently exfoliate dead skin cells, promoting skin renewal. Reduces spots and marks, helps fade sunspots, pigmentation, and minor scars over time. That's why orange is often used in anti-aging face masks. It brightens the skin while stimulating collagen and protecting against early wrinkles. This recipe also requires sugar. Sugar and anti-aging benefits for skin natural exfoliant. Sugar contains small granules that gently remove dead skin cells, promoting skin renewal and revealing a smoother, fresher complexion. Hydration booster. Sugar is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin and helps maintain hydration, which reduces the appearance of fine lines, improves skin texture. Regular gentle exfoliation with sugar can make the skin feel softer and more even, stimulate circulation. When used in scrubs or masks, sugar gently stimulates blood flow, giving the skin a healthy, youthful glow. Enhances absorption of other ingredients. Sugar exfoliation allows other beneficial ingredients in your mask, like banana or orange, to penetrate more effectively, increasing their anti-aging effects. Tip: sugar doesn't directly stop aging, but by exfoliating, hydrating, and enhancing other nutrients, it supports a smoother, brighter, and younger-looking skin. This recipe also requires tomatoes. This recipe also requires tomatoes.
Друзья, напишите в комментариях, из какой страны вы смотрите наш канал. Очень интересно узнать. Если вам понравилось видео, ставьте лайк и не забудьте подписаться на канал.
Dear friends, use this recipe every morning. Dear friends, if you are interested in natural recipes, subscribe to our channel and press
Друзья,
the bell to
используйте
support
этот
us.
рецепт
Press the
каждое
like button on
утро.
the videos.
Друзья,
This gives us motivation.
если вам интересны натуральные рецепты, подписывайтесь на наш канал и жмите на колокольчик. Чтобы поддержать нас, ставьте лайки под видео, это мотивирует нас. Нанесите маску на очищенное лицо и тщательно помассируйте.
Apply the mask to a cleansed face and massage well.
Используйте эту маску 3 дня. Используйте ее 2 раза в день, утром и вечером. Маска против морщин с бананом и сахаром для более молодого вида. Если вы хотите ухаживать за кожей натуральным способом, подписывайтесь на канал, чтобы увидеть новые потрясающие рецепты. И ставьте лайки под видео, чтобы поддержать нас.
Use this mask for 3 days. Use it twice a day, morning and evening. Anti-wrinkle mask with banana and sugar for a younger look. If you want to take care of your skin the natural way, subscribe to the channel for new amazing recipes and like the videos to support